In this video, I'm going to show you a few more of the additional annotation options that are available in this section of the OrbitNote toolbar. So the first one to take a look at is the shape drawing tool. I have just a couple of options here. I can draw circles, squares or rectangles, and then lines. One thing to note is that you can't retroactively go back and change line thickness or line color or fill color. So you kind of want to select those, ahead of time, make sure that you're happy with what it's going to potentially look like, and then you can go out there and draw, or a student could draw, on the screen as well with circle tools. I'll use this to create a rectangle, maybe around an important section of text with some main ideas or a paragraph I want to highlight. And similarly, I can do the same thing with the line tool. Maybe you want to sort of eliminate paragraphs from the reading or whatever it may be. You can use that for whatever you see fit. When I'm in there and doing that, if I click onto the eraser tool, as long as I'm pretty close with that eraser tool, I can go back then and erase the different shapes and things that I've drawn. If I go back into the shape tool and I click on one of these, it should, in just a moment, maybe if I select the circle, maybe I have to be off of that altogether. I think I do. And when I select that again, I get the option to then move it around, much like I can do with a text box, and I can delete right from this section as well. So unlike other software, this is pretty limited in terms of the types of annotation you can make. However, it is something that students will probably find some use of, or educators as well, in drawing attention to certain things just really quickly. The other tool that often gets used in here is the Freeform just drawing tool. So this is where you can, a student could use trackpad or a mouse to draw attention to certain things and kind of make them as clear as possible, again with some shaky freeform drawing on a computer, but those are there as options. We'll have a few other videos to highlight a couple more of these annotation tools, but these are a couple that you should be aware of.